Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating discovery that could potentially revolutionize our approach to obesity treatment. Get ready to explore the incredible world of Burmese pythons and their secret to surviving on a crash diet. But before we begin, let me tell you, this is not your typical snake story. So, buckle up and let's unravel the mystery behind these slithering creatures and their potential impact on human health. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the Burmese python. These massive snakes, capable of growing up to 16 feet long and weighing close to 220 pounds, have an extraordinary ability to go months without eating. Now, you might be thinking, big deal, they are just snakes. But here's the catch, they can consume prey that's almost their entire body weight and then hibernate for an extended period without any apparent health issues. It's like they've cracked the code to eternal slumber, and we're here to find out how. The research team, led by Dr. Jonathan Long from Stanford University, set out to uncover the secrets behind this metabolic marvel. They focused on the immediate aftermath of a python's feast, examining the blood of young Burmese pythons before and after they devoured a meal equivalent to about 25% of their body weight. And guess what? They found over 200 molecules that spiked in the python's blood within hours of eating, with one molecule, pTOS, increasing by over 1,000-fold. Now, here's where it gets really intriguing. When the scientists administered pTOS to laboratory mice, they didn't see any significant changes in energy expenditure or organ size. But here's the twist, pTOS had a profound effect on the mice's appetite and feeding behaviors. Obese mice given pTOS ate significantly less and lost 9% of their body weight in just 28 days. That's right, a natural molecule found in human urine could be the key to unlocking a new class of obesity drugs. But how does pTOS work its magic? Well, it appears to target the hypothalamus, a brain region that regulates appetite. This is in stark contrast to GLP-1 medications like Wegovy, which slow down stomach emptying to make people feel full for longer. While effective, these drugs come with side effects like nausea and constipation. Phew, no thank you. So, pTOS offers a potentially safer alternative by directly addressing the root cause of overeating. Now, you might be wondering, is this for real? Can we really use snake secrets to help humans? Well, in my opinion, this discovery is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. As Dr. Long puts it, we're not snakes, but maybe by studying these animals, we can unlock new insights into human metabolism. And I couldn't agree more. The more we learn about the natural world, the more we can develop innovative solutions to some of our biggest health challenges. So, what does this mean for the future of obesity treatment? Well, as Professor Leslie Lane from the University of Colorado Boulder points out, further research is needed before we can apply these findings clinically. But since pTOS occurs naturally in humans, it's likely to be safe. And let's not forget, we've learned so much from snakes in the past. Who knows what other secrets these creatures hold? Perhaps the key to eternal youth or the cure for cancer. But for now, let's celebrate the incredible power of nature and the endless possibilities it offers. In conclusion, the discovery of pTOS and its potential impact on obesity treatment is a fascinating development. It showcases the incredible diversity of life and the potential for natural solutions to complex health problems. So, the next time you see a snake, remember, they might just hold the key to a healthier future for all of us. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.